This Celerity AC-2s12 came in for repair from one of ERD's semiconductor customers, and is a power unit used in a vacuum control system for one of the many process tools used in the semiconductor industry. This unit came to us needing a full rebuild due to its age, and after the rebuild, we fully checked out all the power supplies it internally generates for the vacuum system. This system is also labeled with the Tylan name and is used in the ADAPTORR pressure controller they produce for the semiconductor industry. At ERD, we perform a variety of repairs on both vacuum and pressure systems, from actual generators to all the various metering devices needed for these systems.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.